What is Python? 1. Python is simple, easy to learn syntax emphasize readability and therefore it's reduce the cost of program maintenance. 2. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. 3. Python supports modules and packages, which encourages program modularity and code reuse. 4. It incorporates modules, exceptions, dynamic typing, very high-level dynamic data types, and classes. 5. It supports multiple programming paradigms beyond object-oriented programming, such as procedural and functional programming. Who discovered Python and what is Python used for? 1. Python was created by Guido van Rossum, and first released on February 20, 1991. 2. While you may know the Python is a large snake, the name of Python programming language comes from an NBC television comedy sketch series called Monty Python's Flying Circus. 3. Python is general-purpose programming language, so it can be used for many things. 4. It is used for web development, AI, machine learning, operating system, mobile application development, and video games. 5. Python is created by using C programming language. What exactly is Python? Python is a general-purpose coding language, which means that, unlike HTML, CSS and JavaScript, it can be used for other types of programming and software development beside web development. Python can be used for things like backend or server-side web and mobile application development.